Hello and welcome back guys to our channel. In the previous video we have learned about the architecture types used in microcontroller and selection factors used for selecting the microcontroller suitable for your application. If you haven't watched it yet, go check out the video first. Also, if you haven't checked the electronic devices and circuit series, watch that series too. In this video, we will learn about the various versions of microcontroller that were invented by Intel and Atmel. The first microcontroller 8051 was made by Intel and it is made with either PMOS or NMOS technologies. Later, Atmel came up with 89C51. Here C means CMOS technology is used to build this controller. 89 is prefix and 51 is postfix. It is just a series. The 89S51 or 89S52 has a flash memory and an ISP or in-system programming functionality. We don't require a bulky universal programmer to program the chip. It can be inserted into the target embedded system and programmed without taking the chip out of the circuit or system. So this is the advantage of in-system programming functionality that we get in 89S51 and 89S52. Besides that, the 89C51 has 4K flash and 89C52 has 8K flash. Also, there is a difference in number of timers. 8052 was the upgraded version of 8051. The main differences between 8051 and 8052 microcontrollers are: first is the clock cycles per instruction. 8051 has 12 clock cycles and 8052 has 12. Second is the serial ports. Both 8051 and 8052 have one serial ports that can be used as UART. And the timers, 8051 has 2 timers and 8052 has 3 timers. The watchdog timers are not available in 8051 and 8052 series. The internal RAM in 8051 is of 128 bytes and in 8052 it is of 256 bytes. The ROM for both 8051 and 8052 is 64K. So moving forward, we will focus on 8051 and 89C51 microcontrollers. So let's have a look at features of 8051 microcontroller. It has got 8-bit data bus and 8-bit ALU. Then 16-bit address bus which is of 64 KB of RAM and ROM. On-chip RAM is of 128 bytes. On-chip ROM is of 4 KB bytes. Then 4 8-bit bidirectional input-output ports. Then programmable serial ports, that is 1 serial port. 2 multi-mode 16-bit timers with 5 interrupt sources and 2-level program memory lock EEPROM. Then it has 2-level interrupt priority. It has got power saving mode. The power saving modes are idle mode and power down mode. These will be covered in the next part of the series. Then it has got all modern versions are CMOS. Okay, so now let's have a look at the features of 89C51. The 89C51, it is compatible with microcontroller 8051 family. Okay, the second part is it has got 8-bit data bus and 8-bit ALU. The on-chip reprogrammable flash memory is of 4K bytes. Then it supports 3-level program memory lock. It has got 16-bit address bus which is 64 KB of RAM and ROM. It has got on-chip RAM of 128 bytes which is the data memory. Then it has got 4 8-bit bidirectional input-output ports and 4 32 programmable input-output lines in turn. Then it has got programmable serial port, that is 1 serial port. Then 2 multi-mode 16-bit timers, 6 interrupt sources, 2-level interrupt priorities, and it has got power saving mode. So that was all about the features of 8051 and 89C51 microcontrollers. In the latter part of this series, we will be focusing on these two microcontrollers. So do not miss that videos. Do like and share with your friends, comment your views and subscribe to the channel.